If you're looking to add some lo-fi noise to your track, you may be surprised to know that Alchemy actually has a built-in vinyl noise generator. To access it, you just need to open Alchemy. And with Alchemy open, if you just reinitialize a patch, so let's just go to initialize setting. This gives us a basic patch. I've gone from global to my source A. I'm going to turn the oscillator off because I don't want any saw waves or any form of oscillator here. But the important thing is I'm going to look under this noise control. So if I switch this on, I will find that when I play a key, there are a whole bunch of noise sources. And lo and behold, if you look down here, we have a vinyl sound. You could, of course, modulate any of these parameters to give it a little bit of dynamism as it goes through. In particular, the tune function will give it a little bit of authentic warble. You can also explore some of the other settings. Radio is one of my favorites.